Welcome to another episode of Sales Tech Review. I'm Nancy Nardin. Today I'll be reviewing a sales tech solution called Flipdeck. Flipdeck tackles two hassles that salespeople deal with every day: gathering the information to send to each prospect and adding attachments and links to an email one by one. Sharing information with sales collateral, pricing, and proposals is something you do all day, every day. You have the content you need. The problem is that the files are scattered over multiple locations, different cloud storage systems like Dropbox or Google Drive, or different folders on your own PC. And some aren't files at all, but rather actual website URLs, like your homepage or product pages. There are big solutions your company can buy to solve this problem, but they can be expensive to buy and keep up to date. If you don't have the patience to wait for marketing to resolve, or if you are in marketing and need a simpler content solution, the answer is Flipdeck. Flipdeck consists of cards, decks, and collections. Start by creating cards. Now pay attention here because cards are at the heart of the system. A Flipdeck card is a visual container with a space for a title, an image, a description or content area, and a place for links to web pages, documents, and videos. You can share any content you want to share on a card. In fact, you can share multiple pieces of content on one card. Let me show you how that works. I'll create an About Nancy card. You'll want to create your own calling card you can use on LinkedIn and email. Now, I named the card, add a photo and description, and then links. I'll add my LinkedIn profile. I could add more, but I'll stop there for now. Next, I can add documents and videos. And you might want to add a company overview and a video where you're telling prospects a little about yourself. I'll add a link to one of my reports and a link to a sales tech review video. I can send this card immediately or edit, share, make a copy, etc. At this point, I'm ready to email this card to a prospect or send a link to it to the prospect via LinkedIn. Now let's fast forward to a typical example of using Flipdeck to follow up with a prospect. Let's say your prospect expressed an interest in a specific projector. Let's start by picking the cards we want to send her. First, we might select the About Us card. Notice the indicator on the bottom right shows you how many cards are selected so far. Next, let's go to Products and select the ES7JX card. And let's also select the card on projectors. Then we'll go to the Case Studies and select the Digital Office card because we know that they are interested in that subject. So that's 4 cards. Now let's go ahead and share them with the prospect. Here's what a preview of the email looks like. Beautiful, right? Now I want to show you something else that's just as cool. Instead of emailing, you can add these cards to a collection. By doing that, you automatically create a web page with the cards you selected. Now that is a nice experience for your prospect and for you as a salesperson. There's no question that Flipdeck is great for individual reps. If you're a rep that wants a better way to work, definitely check it out. Now, if you run a sales team or marketing team, you'll also want to consider Flipdeck. You can create standard decks and collections for salespeople to get access to. And again, you don't have to change a thing about the way you store your content. You're simply making it easy to share that content in a new way. And you can track the engagement. Flipdeck is one of those solutions that's super easy to get set up and running. And salespeople will love it because it takes no time at all to find and send the perfect content. And prospects will take notice because of the unique format and convenience of receiving the content. It's for these reasons we've named Flipdeck our recommended sales technology of the week.